Hello student, today's topic is multiplication of decimal. In multiplication of decimal, we will learn about multiplication of decimal by a decimal, multiplication of decimal by whole number and multiplication of decimal by thousand, hundred, ten, etc. So, let's solve these questions. First, multiplication of decimal by a decimal. Here, in multiplication of decimal by a decimal, we need to follow some step. In first step, okay, forget about the decimal point and multiply the numbers, okay, as we multiply the whole number, okay. Now 7368 multiplied by 54 and the product is 3,97,872. Now in next step, see in the question here how many digits after the decimal point. Here 2 digits and here 1 digit. So add how many digits after the decimal? Here 2, here 1. So total number of digits after the decimal point is 3. Now in third step, we place the decimal point in the product. Okay, we place the decimal point in the product in such a way that the number of digits after the point is 3. So, start from the right side. 1, 2, 3. If I place the decimal point here, so the number of digits is 3 after the decimal. Count 1, 2, 3. So, here the answer 397.872. Okay. Next, multiplication of decimal by whole number. Next, again forget the decimal point and multiply as we multiply the whole number. Okay. 543 multiplied by 15 and the product is 543 multiplied by 15. 8,145. Now see in the question 5.43. Here number of decimal places 2, right, and here 0. So total number of decimal places 2. Next, in the product we need to place the decimal point in such a way that the number of digits after the point is 2. So the product 5.43 multiplied by 15 is equal 8,145 and the point I placed here. Now the product is 81.45. Next, multiplication of decimal by thousand. Again forget the decimal point and multiply 356 by 1000 and the product is 3,56,000. Next, see number of digits after the decimal point 1, here 0. So total number of digits after the decimal point is 1. So again place the decimal point in the product in such a way, okay, that the number of digits after the point is 1. So here from the right side I place the point here. Now here the answer is 35,600. Okay. Next question. If the cost of a pen is rupees 28.50, find the cost of 48 such pens. Here, first, cost of one pen is 28 rupees 50 paise. Cost of 48 pens, multiply 28.50 into 48, and the product is here 1,36,800. Now see how many digit after the decimal. Here 2 digit, here 0. So total number of digit after the decimal point 2. So from the right side we place decimal point here. Okay. Here. Okay. Now the answer is rupees 1,368. So the cost of 48 pen is 1,368 rupees. Next, 1 kg of milk has 0.264 kg of fat. How much fat is there in 12.5 kg of milk? Quantity of fat in 1 kg of milk 0.264 kg. Quantity of fat in 12.5 kg of milk, multiply 0.264 by 12.5 kg. Again, multiplication of decimal by decimal. So, multiply 264 by 125. Ignore the decimal point, and the product is 33,000. Next, how many digit after the decimal point? 3 digit. Here 1 digit. So total number of digit 4. Next, in next step, we place the decimal point in the product in such a way that the number of digit after the decimal point is 4. So start from the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I place the decimal point here. Next, the answer 3.3 kg. Hence, the quantity of fat in 12.5 kg of milk is 3.3 kg. So students, that was all about multiplication of decimals.